Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Do you want to earn money online by writing simple English sentences? Do you want to work from home using only your mobile or laptop? If yes, then this video is perfect for you. Today I will teach you about copywriting in very easy words. You will learn what copywriting is, how it works, and how you can start even as a beginner. So watch this video till the end because this skill can change your life. What is copywriting? First, let's understand what copywriting means. Copywriting is writing words to sell a product or service. These words are called copy. For example, ads on Facebook, product descriptions on Amazon, email marketing messages, website landing pages. All these are written in copywriting and written by copywriters. A copywriter's main goal is simple. More people take action. This action can be buy a product, click a link, sign up for a service. So copywriting is not just writing, it is writing to sell. Why copywriting is important? Now you may think, why copywriting is important? Let me explain. Every business wants customers, but customers only buy when they feel interested. Good copywriting helps to grab attention, build trust, create desire, increase sales. Without good copywriting, even a great product may fail. That is why companies pay copywriters a lot of money. Types of copywriting. There are many types of copywriting. Let's look at some simple ones. Advertising copywriting. It is used in ads on Facebook, Google, or Instagram. Website copywriting. Writing for websites like home pages and landing pages. Email copywriting. Writing emails to sell products or services. Product description writing used in e-commerce websites like Amazon. Social media copywriting, writing captions and posts for social media. As a beginner, you can start with any one type. Skills you need for copywriting. You don't need perfect English to start copywriting. You only need a few simple skills. Clear writing. Write simple and easy sentences. Understanding people. Know what people want and need. Persuasion. Convince people in a soft and honest way. Creativity. Use interesting words and ideas. Basic research. Learn about the product before writing. If you practice daily, you can improve quickly. Simple formulas for copywriting. Let me teach you a simple formula called AIDA. AIDA. AIDA means A for attention. Catch the reader's attention. For example, do you want to earn money from home? I For interest, make them interested. Simple. Example, you can earn by writing simple words. D for desire, create desire. For example, many people are earning thousands of dollars. A for action, tell them what to do. For example, start learning copywriting today. This formula is very powerful. Here are some examples of copywriting. Let me give you a simple example. For example, normal sentence. This is a good course for learning copywriting. Copywriting version. In copywriting version, learn copywriting step by step to start earning from home even if you are a beginner. See the difference. Copywriting is powerful and emotional. How to start copywriting as a beginner? Now let's talk about how you can start copywriting. For example, step 1, learn basics. Watch YouTube videos and read simple articles. Step 2, practice daily. Write ads, emails, and product descriptions. Step 3, choose a niche. Focus on one area like fitness, education, or business. Step 4, create samples. Make 5 to 10 writing samples. Step 5, start freelancing. Use platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. You don't need a degree, you only need skills and practice. Tools for copywriting. Here are some helpful tools. Google Docs for writing, Grammarly for checking grammar, Canva for designs, ChatGPT for ideas. These tools make your work easier. How much can you earn? Now, the most important question, money. As a beginner, you can earn $5 to $20 per project. After some experience, $50 to $200 per project. Expert copywriters earn $1,000 plus per project. Some copywriters earn thousands of dollars per month. Your income depends on your skills. Common mistakes to avoid. Avoid these mistakes. Writing long and boring sentences. Using difficult English. Not understanding the audience. Copying others. Not practicing. Keep your writing simple and clear. Here are some tips for success. For example, write daily. Read ads and learn from them. Focus on benefits, not features. Use emotional words. Keep learning. Success takes time, but it is possible. So this was a complete beginner guide to copywriting. Let's quickly recap. Copywriting means writing to sell. It is a high income skill. You can start with basic English. Practice daily to improve. You can earn money online. If you are serious, start today. Don't wait for the perfect time. If you liked this video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Comment below. I will start copywriting today and I will reply to you. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.